What did you say?
Do you want a massage?
Later after that.
Yung massage mami.
How much that's
You
will?
lay your feet and leg here. Okay?
Okay. How much that will pay for that?
$1.
That you have to pay $1.
Okay, later. After the massage. Okay? How about nga nun?
She doesn't need because she's poor.
Don't eat my food ah.
What? I want chips.
Ay, buy chips.
We still have chips.
I don't have chips anymore.
I have to buy. Kaya na po naman sulit.
No.
It's raining. Later when it stops.
Okay.
Let's go to a personal playground when
No. No, because you're poor.
Aray! You're massaging my hair! Why you hit my leg?
I wasn't hitting it. I was getting angry. I was getting angry to add it.
Continue massage. It's so
Not
relaxing.
working.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, it's mommy's turn.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
100.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Harder.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60,
Good job.
61, 62, 63,
70.
68,
63. Oh, you skip. Oh, 63. Si ate kasi ang gulo eh. 63. You continue. Don't want. Oh, sige.
Go ahead,
I will
pay
go.
$1, go.
Oh, 63.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70,
Okay.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80,
Good.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Good job!